हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ बेला वीटा लग्जरी का सीईओ विमेन का परफ्यूम रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ। सो लेट्स बिगिन। बिफोर वी डू सो मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So talking about the packaging of this perfume, it comes in this white box with golden details, Bella Vita Luxury written here, name of the perfume and or the parfum written here. ये वाले section में perfume के बारे में and notes breakdown के बारे में information दी है, which I absolutely love because this gives a lot of transparency on what the perfume is about. पीछे की तरफ डिस्प्ले किया है कि actual perfume bottle कैसे दिखेगी, which is so unique. Like you can just from the outer packaging you can know what exactly you are getting, so that's like a good thing. And overall I think this is like quite a wholesome informative box. यहाँ पर pricing and all the details are mentioned. Now coming to pricing, 100 ml of this or the parfum concentration perfume is priced for 899 rupees. This is also available in a 20 ml package which you can get for 399 rupees. Coming to the bottle itself, it comes in this rectangular glass bottle which is black in color. All the details are in golden right here and the cap is in golden. Atomizer is also in golden. No other design or information is present on the bottle, but it has a very kind of like a sophisticated yet sexy vibe going on to it. Spraying this to show you the atomizer and then I'll talk about the notes breakdown. So as you saw, the sprayer diffuses the product really well and it kind of has like a continuous spray to it, which just is amazing. I love when the sprayers have this continuous spray. So I like the quality of the atomizer. Overall, I think the glass quality, the packaging and everything is very wholesome, classy, elegant and also good quality. Now coming to the perfume type or perfume category, I truly believe that this is kind of like a very earthy, sweet, mature woody fragrance out there. It has a kind of like a soft seductive vibe going on to it, and if you know the fragrances which are named as noir, I kind of get a lot of noir feel in this, like seductive noir kind of something. Instead of naming this as CEO, I would not have mind if this fragrance was like Bella Vita seductive noir kind of a fragrance. So let's talk about the notes breakdown of CEO Women. It definitely opens up with zestiness of bergamot with some yellow flowers and ylang ylang in it. It also has hint of earthiness from the coriander that is being used here. Has a very unique kind of like notes journey to it. Coming to the heart notes, it definitely has some very kind of like a dark, juicy, fruity element present here, and I think that is because of the plum that's in here. Just has a very kind of like a yummy vibe going on, like it has a very juicy plum present in this. Then it has hint of muskiness, some powderiness going on there, hints of leather, earthiness, tonka bean, vanilla, which kind of adds to a little bit of sweetness in this fragrance. And that's the whole journey of the notes breakdown for CEO Women. I find these notes to be very well thought, very mindfulness going on behind the fragrance creation. Like they have put elements which are some are fresh, some are floral, some are fruity, some good gourmand notes out there, and all together this fragrance comes out kind of like a very sweet, seductive, powdery, earthy, patchouli dominating kind of a fragrance. This I think is one of the perfect date night fragrances. It is perfect winter wear. During winters you can actually also wear it during daytime as well as evenings and night times. It's like you can definitely transition from day to night with this fragrance alone during winters, and during summers I think this is more likely to be comfortable to be worn during evening and nighttime. Now I definitely see this as a very powerful kind of a fragrance. It creates a very strong scent bubble around me. It projects the whole day, like literally I get wisp of this fragrance for the whole day, and I just can't believe how projective this fragrance is. Now around 6 to 7 sprays is what gives me around 7 hours of longevity. So consider like a 1 spray equal to 1 hour kind of a longevity, and you can like control the way you want this to project and the way you want to make it to perform by increasing or decreasing the number of sprays. The sillage for this one is moderate. I don't feel like this completely and suddenly fills the room. and anyone who's coming and sitting to you in close proximity or talking with you will definitely get the wisp of this fragrance. Now, this fragrance definitely feels like a very timeless kind of a fragrance. This is something which will never go out of fashion, is what I feel. And this still has kind of like a very modern feel to it. So the name CEO is definitely like a well thought name, because this is a dominating fragrance. It just kind of represents a woman who is walking into the room knowing the business that she's handling. She knows her work, she knows how to get her job done, and she is somebody who is on authority. She is a decision maker, she knows where her life is, and she knows how to instruct people to get her work done. So this is the kind of fragrance which is very empowering in nature, and I just feel that, you know, this is something which exudes confidence. Like, I absolutely stand for these kind of fragrances which are kind of like seductive, these are sexy, these are inviting, these are confident gainers. This is right up my alley. I absolutely love these kind of fragrances which are deep, which are dark, they have a lot of dimension, they have a lot of character to them, and you know, they are sexy and seductive in a way which is not too inviting and not too repelling. Like, this is the perfect balance that you can see right here in this perfume, which I absolutely adore. For the price, for 899 rupees, you are getting 100 ml of this bottle. I think this is worth every penny. You can definitely check out Bella Vita website. They have some discounts going on, so you can definitely get this at a lower price. And trust me on this, if you are someone who likes deep, dark, sexy fragrances, you should not miss out on this one. That completes my review for CEO Women from Bella Vita Luxury. My rating is like 20 out of 10 for this fragrance. I absolutely love these kind of deep, sexy fragrances. This is my type of fragrance, which has a balance of gourmand, floral, fruitiness, everything. It is just such a balanced, such a well-rounded fragrance. I highly recommend you to get this one, because for this price point, getting this quality of fragrance is very difficult in India, and you are getting a perfect kind of like a designer fragrance at this price. So that brings us to the end of the video. Please make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and for more perfume content, stay tuned. Let me know what is your opinion about this fragrance in the comments section below. Let's make that area chatty, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.